Dear friend, now we start the solution of Standard 10 repeated examination taken in July 21. Now during the section number 1, section A, burning of coal is a dash type of the reaction. It is combination reaction. Number 2, molecule of the ethene C2H4 has dash type of the bond, the single and double bond. Number 3, dash is necessary for the autotrophic nutrition, so carbon dioxide, chlorophyll, sunlight, all the above. So answer is the all the above is the answer. Which of the following groups containing only the biodegradable sources, the grass, flower and leather? Number 1, grass, wood and plastic. The plastic is not degradable substance. Fruit, peels and cake, lemon juice, cake, wood and grass. So number 1, 3 and 4. This is the answer. Which type of image cannot be obtained by the convex lens? The A, virtual and small. Which of the following phenomena are the responsible for the formation of the rainbow? Refraction, dispersion and internal reflection, all the above. Generally internal reflection, but here all above. Now question number 7. Unique ability of the carbon to form a bond with other atom of carbon is known as the catenation. The answer is catenation. For the classification of element, law of the triad was given by the dash scientist. तो न्यूलैंड ने दिया, डॉबरेनर ने दिया हुआ है, तो आंसर आएगा डॉबरेनर आंसर आएगा. ओपनिंग एंड क्लोजिंग ऑफ द स्टोमाटा पोर इज रेगुलेटेड बाय द डैश सेल, तो गार्ड सेल रेगुलेट द opening and closing of the stomata. Dash produce the testosterone hormones. इसका आंसर आएगा टेस्टिस. Concave lens with dash focal is having the largest power. So 10, the focal length is smaller, then power is largest. Here smaller number is 10 centimeter, therefore largest power. Dash watt of the electricity can be approximately generated by the solar cell, so 0.7 watt. State whether the following statements are true or false. Mendeleev named the gallium of acar silicon. The statement is false. Number 14. 1/4 of the obtained plant in F2 generation of Mendelian experiment where they showed the in first generation he obtained all tall. In second generation only one is short. One means 1/4 is short. Statement is true. Absolute reflection of the index of any material is more than, so the always greater than 1. This statement is true. Now solar cooker work on the principle of the solar energy converted into the light energy. तो solar energy converted into the heat energy आना चाहिए. Therefore statement is false. Answer of the following in one word or one sentence. Which action are the controlled by the medulla oblongate? Answer. All the involuntary action like the including the blood pressure, salivation, vomiting are the controlled by the medulla oblongate. Question number and selection of the arrested flower of the wild cabbage plant had it lead to develop to which vegetable? The broccoli or the for the sterile flower and made then by the cauliflower. Few years back, which animal fossil were found in the from the Narmada Valley? So dinosaur. So dinosaur skeleton fossils are found in the Narmada Valley. Name the physical quantity that has been kilowatt per unit. Electric power means unit. What is the main risk factor of the nuclear power generation? The collection of the waste material of the nuclear power generation, disposal of the number two, disposal of the process of waste material. We cannot obtain the method to disposal. And the number third, sometime leakage of the radiation. This is the main risk factor. Use of the plastic disposal cup served in the train should be avoided. Stop because we have to stop the plastic disposal waste cup. Bravo. So to stop because it is not a biodegradable substance. It causes air and land pollution. Product of product of water level obtained in the earth level. The product of the water absorbed. जब अगर वाटर लेयर ज़मीन पे अगर लेयर प्लास्टिक का लेयर आ जाता है तो वाटर ऑब्जर्व में प्रॉब्लम होता है. मैच द फॉलोइंग सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी टाइप. मिनरल ऑयल, इट इज़ द नॉन रिन्यूएबल सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी. ओशियन थर्मल एनर्जी, इट इज़ द रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी. मीन्स A3B1. Now find out the mismatch pair of the following. So here ovary, regulation of the digestion action means number 4, ovary regulation of the digestive action. Now section B, we have to question is while diluting an acid, why it is recommended that acid should be added to water? Answer: while diluting an acid, it is recommended that acid should be added to the water, not water to acid, because the process of dissolving an acid or the base in water is highly exothermic. It produces the high energy. The water is added to the concentrated acid and heat generated many times cause the mixture of the flash and out of it cause the burn. The glass container may be also break due to the excess of the local heating. Thus acid must be always be added slowly to water with the constant stirring. By this process, acid become dilute as per our requirement. Example of the material which number 1, a liquid at room temperature. The mercury which is used in thermometer can be easily cut with the knife. Sodium is Na, potassium K or lithium Li. It is the base conductor of heat and electricity. The silver and copper, formula of the silver Ag, copper मतलब Cu. It is past the conductor of heat. Lead Pb, mercury Hg. This is the formula. Now write the 2 points of difference between Mendeleev periodic table and modern periodic table. Mendeleev periodic table, here Mendeleev periodic table, here modern periodic table. In modern periodic table, elements are arranged in increasing atomic number. Right hand side, Mendeleev's periodic table, elements are arranged in the order of increasing atomic mass. There are 18 vertical columns called the group, that is 18 group. Here in increasing atomic mass, there is a 9 vertical column, means group. The transition of the element fit in the middle of the long period. Transition elements are activity plays together in group. This is the most important question. The modern periodic table and Mendeleev periodic table. Main 2 points, we have to write only 2 points For the 2 marks, elements are arranged in the increasing atomic mass. Elements are arranged in the order of increasing atomic mass. Here is atomic number, here is atomic mass, 18 group, here 9 group. Thank you.